Hello everybody, this is Lucas Crane from the Left Gate, and today I had a thought I'd make a tone preset for the great Alexi Laiho from Children of Bodom. So without further ado, here's how it sounds, and then let's get checking what the preset has to offer. Okay, so this is a quick demo of the patch. It's our upcoming song from the Left Gate, and it's very Children of Bodom inspired. Okay, so here's the patch. First of all, if you go to the beginning of the chain, this is the guitar I'm using. I hope it's you can see it on the camera. It's ESP LTD Arrow Black Metal, so it's a single EMG 81. I know you can get better results if you use the passive EMG humbucker, the HZ, but this came with the 81, so I used an 81. So if you really want to get the Alexi tone, use either his signature pickup or the EMG HZ passive pickup. But yeah, this is the signal chain. You can add more effects here if you want, but first of all, from the patch I used the noise gate because why not? The noise gate is very important piece mostly. So the threshold is just personal preference or how your guitar reacts. Then the decay I set as low as possible, so so it's really muted when it's gotta be muted. And then the last settings I don't even touch those. Then I have the simple pitch, just because this guitar is in drop C sharp for my own music, so I use the pitch shifter in this occasion, the simple pitch. So the if you have a trouble that it's harmonizing the strings, remember to put the mix level to 100% so it doesn't give any dry signal from there. And then if I want to use drop C for, like, for example, Are You Dead Yet or In Your Face or Angels Don't Kill, you put it in -1 if you have the guitar in same tuning as me. So right now it's in drop C. So yeah, and if you want to play most likely the stuff from the last album, you put it to drop B, which is -2 for me. For example, like Platitudes and Barren Words. And so on. But yeah, this patch on its own sounds not one I would like, but in a mix it sounds actually quite good. Then I know Alexi doesn't use quite a lot of effects. There's the picture where it is the Boss CH1 chorus pedal and the Boss DD7 delay. Well, unfortunately, at least in this version, the HX Stomp doesn't have either of those. So I just took the like default chorus. Yeah. Here the only thing is that I for Alexi said he uses it, but he doesn't use it that much. It's kind of like the 80s tone, which he is looking for. So yeah, I didn't really touch other aspects except this mix button right here and the tone. I believe it wasn't there when it's like default. Yeah, I think I'll demo the chorus effect quite fast. So yeah, here it is with the chorus on. Actually, I'll make it even easier. I'll put it in foot switch 1, so... Oh, actually, I had to put it in foot switch 2. So I'll play on and off. I think you can see, yeah, when it's dark, it's off. When it's bright, it's on. So yeah, it even gives maybe like a little bass boost in these settings. Nothing too special. Then you have 2 blocks if you want to put some of your own effects. And yeah, I was hunting for that like Are You Dead Yet album tone, which I don't really know which amp he's using in that, but I went with the most Marshall type tone that is not a Marshall, because if we look at here, there's the Plexi, somewhere there is the JCM 800, which Alexi used, but I didn't bother to look for all the gain settings and so on, because I just like this amp more, and I think the Friedman BE100 is close enough. These settings are pretty much what Alexi uses in his JVM amp, except I don't have the MMO4 preamp in this guitar, so I boost the gain. I believe Alexi used 3 and I used 6 to get more of... It's on the tuner. To like give it a little bit more growl and so on. The bass is at 8. I believe Alexi used it at 8. And otherwise, bass at 8.0, mid in 6.5, treble 7.0, presence 4.0, and the volumes are for you, but I put it in 7.5 and 6.0 for the master. Then the I keep the C45 on, and the saturation I put on, because the saturation, it's like when it's off, it's like it's a little bit more bassy and like low gain, so I get a little bit more gain with the saturation of, and a little less bass, so it suits the tone pretty well. There was the one If You Want Peace Prepare for War guitar, like there were only the guitar tracks, so I used it as my reference. So this may not be exact on actually any occasion, but this was close enough that when you play it in the mix, you really don't hear the difference so much. And then for the cabinets, I went with the two Marshall 1960s with the vintage 30s in it, because that's what they used at least at the same time when they were using the JVMs. I'm talking about Alexi and whoever was the lead guitarist then. But yeah, in the first, you can see there's SM57. The position is 1.5, distance 1.0. I believe I didn't move these. And then I have a low cut at 79 Hz, high cut at 8.5 kilohertz. Those are the only, I believe these are the only things I've changed. And then the second cabinet, there's a 121 ribbon mic to get a little bit more of the high end, like a little bit more of the gaininess. Here low cut at 80 Hz, high cut 8.5 kilohertz, position 1.5, distance 1.0. Nothing too special here. Alexi was he didn't like to change settings so much, and the chorus pedal is on all the time. And then in the last part I have a noise gate. It's just at least I have a pretty noisy room. I have 3 monitors, PC, keyboards, mouses everywhere, so I need this for like the silencing purposes, so it doesn't have any tails or anything like that. So it's a pretty tight tone. Actually, when you hear it soloed, it's at least in my opinion, it's not that great. But yeah, it's at least it's what I've found to be working. In the leads, I believe if you have more gain, it's not gonna sound as clear, because Alexi's lead sound was very clear. This is as clean as I can really like go. So yeah, it's it could be better. I can say that the lead sound could be better, but it works quite well, at least in my opinion. Yeah. The one thing I have to say about the guitar, I use the Ernie Ball. No, it's the Slinky top heavy bottom, so it's 10 to 52. So it's 10, 13, 17, 32, 42, 52. So I believe Alexi used 10 to 56, at least on the drop B, on his guitars. At least I remember. So do what you want. Alexi used the DR strings, I believe, to find the best tone for myself using the Ernie balls. These are pretty dead and old. I should probably change them, but I haven't got around to change them yet. But yeah, I guess this is it. Remember to like, subscribe, go listen to The Left Gate. We're gonna release a new song pretty soon, so yeah. This was Lucas Graham from The Left Gate. See you.